Hi, my name is Paul Bello. I'm an immigration lawyer in the United Kingdom, based in the United Kingdom. I'm also a barrister and a solicitor. Today's video is about British citizen application refusal over criminal records. British citizen application refusal over criminal records. Before I dive into today's topic, I want you to subscribe to our channel. I want you to like our channel. I want you to recommend our channel to your friends, your folks, your relatives, your well-wishers. We've been dealing with immigration matters for many years standing now, and we've got a track record of successes. Come and see us, book an appointment to see us. If you have any immigration matter that you want sorting out, or if you have a relative abroad that wants to visit the United Kingdom, we can package the application through the British High Commission or post abroad. We can fight their case on their behalf for them. We'll give them a covering letter and it will do wonders. So please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for doing so. Let me dive into today's topic. Today's topic is about British citizen application refusal over criminal records. British citizen application visa refusals over criminal record. If you've gotten a criminal record before, a lot of people are not clear about whether to apply for their British citizenship because they've got a criminal record. Some people are even afraid minor and major criminal records or criminal offences. Some people, we've got a gentleman who asks us, I've got a lot of parking tickets and which I didn't pay. Would that affect my application for naturalization as a British citizen? No. So such are minor criminal offences. Non-payment of council tax, which you're taking to court, and they've asked you to pay the council tax with some additional legal charges on top, and a lot of people are afraid. Does that mean I've got a criminal record? No. But if you hold somebody some money and they've got a county court judgment, what we call a CCJ, that may affect your application as a British citizen. Come and see us. We will explain all these things to you. Book an appointment to see us in our office. Our receptionist is able to take calls from you and book an appointment for you. So a lot of people are confused. They ask us often questions. Do I need to declare pending prosecution when making an application for British citizenship? The answer is yes. The nationality application make it clear that you must disclose pending prosecutions. If you're charged with a criminal offense and you're waiting trial, you need to disclose it in your application. That may not necessarily cause a refusal. That is why you need a lawyer. Come and see us. Book an appointment to see us in our office. We'll explain all the do's and don'ts and the consequences of your criminal record, if any. We'll explain all this nitty-gritty to you. Some even ask us, I have an overseas conviction, that is, they are convicted overseas abroad, maybe in Peru, in Argentina, or in Sweden, where they're living before. Will it affect their British citizen naturalization application. In my British citizen application, the answer to this is yes. Overseas conviction will usually be treated as if they happen in the UK. The UKVI will use this sentence that you have received as having a starting point when deciding whether the conviction will impact on their decision to grant you the citizenship. So it may not necessarily cause a refusal for your British citizen application. That is, if you have a conviction abroad in Finland, Norway, Belgium that you're living before, but you still need to declare this, come and see us. We will explain further to you. For you, we can make a UK citizen naturalization application for you, which would in effect grant you the British citizenship and passport. A lot of people don't understand this. They mix the two together. Come and see us, book an appointment with us. Some people even ask, I have a criminal record. Does this mean I will not be granted British citizen? Not necessary. You must be considered to be of good character in its entirety. So the Home Office will consider all the application, all your conviction. And if you have a conviction, you must wait for certain years for it to be spent before applying to be granted British citizenship. So you must wait. If you have a custodial sentence, that is a prison sentence, it may well cause a refusal for you. You need to come and see us. You need to come and see us. We can explain all this intricacy to you. We can explain the length of time you need to spend after a criminal record before applying for British citizenship. You know, if you are convicted of a criminal record, you need to wait certain period. That is, if, for example, if your conviction or a sentence, if you're sent to prison and is below 12 months, you need to wait for about 4 or 5 years. After 4 or 5 years has elapsed over this prison sentence, then you can be able to apply for naturalization. Come and see us. Don't do it yourself. A lot of people put in applications themselves to the Home Office and they end up regretting. They mess up their application. There's a lot of DIYs going about. There's a lot of YouTubers saying people should not go through a lawyer and apply for a visa themselves. We will not advise you to do this. Come and see a lawyer. Come and see us. We'll package your application for you from beginning to the end, and we will you will be guaranteed a success. Come and see us. Our address is down below this video. Come and see us. We'll put up your application for you. Thank you.